Alright bitches, I had a long day, so let's do this. So here's how my skin looks without any makeup on. And this is how it looks after. I'm gonna do my skin off camera really quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just did my foundation, contour, concealer, and eyebrows. All the products I use are gonna be in the description box, so check that out. I'm gonna actually tell you guys what to do. So first you're gonna wanna get the Athena palette by Shop Hush. This is so good. And this was only $15. You can't find this at the drugstore. You can only get it on the Shop Hush app, but they have free shipping and this is like $14, so this palette is like under $20. Oh. Okay, someone's taking a shower. I hope you can't hear that, but I'm gonna do... Okay, so my dumbass sister was taking a shower, so I have to do a voiceover. So first what you're gonna wanna do is take the shade Purity, and then on a brush like that, and then put that shit all over your lid so the colors blend out way easier. Next, take a skinny brush, and then go into the shade Power, which is like this red color one, I guess, and then put that shit in your crease. Like what I'm doing now. Next, take a thick blending brush, and then go into the shade Lore, which is like this orange, and then just use that shit to blend out your color. So if you did it right, it should look like this. So the next color I'm gonna go in with is Divine, which is this one all the way in the corner. It's like a coppery one, and I'm gonna be using this flat paddle brush. I had a long ass fucking day. I just turned in an essay for my English 101 class. Okay girls, here's the fun part. You're gonna wanna take the same paddle brush. I cleaned it a little bit. Then you're gonna wanna go into Daring. It's like the glitter in the palette. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this in like the inner part of my lid, not all over my lid, because we want that sister dimension. I'm telling you. Sorry, there's a mosquito. Next, you're gonna wanna go in with like a brush that looks like this, like a little pointy one. This one's by Beauty Creations. I probably got it from the dollar store. Oh, take a pause on that. Really quick, speaking of dollar store stuff, I just bought stuff on Shop Miss A. Thanks to whoever fucking packaged my order, cause girl, I ordered a beauty sponge. This is literally how it came. Okay, anyways, back on track, take your small brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Cunning, this one in the corner. It's a duochrome pink, and I'm gonna be using that in my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade Power on this little pencil brush. Power is the red one I keep using. And just take it across your... I was about to say bottom eyelid. Your lower lash line. There we go. So next, go in with the little skinny brush again. Just dip in a shade Lore. Why the fuck not the orange? We're gonna use it to blend out our lower lash line. Loves it. Okay, so next, just for a little bit of like an added factor, I'm gonna go in with this. This is a product not a lot of people know about, but it's a fucking hidden jewel, girl. This is the e.l.f. Glitter Gel. This is $4, but this is a dupe for so many things. I'm looking at my little screen here. It's not really showing up on camera. There's not really a big difference on camera. But IRL, trust me girl, just trust me. It looks so much more sparkly, just there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this palette down for just a little bit. I'm gonna just apply my mascara and eyelashes off camera, But like, these are the lashes I'm using. They're from Aliexpress. Hold on. There we go. They're from like Aliexpress. You can find them by looking up 3D mink lashes, I think. They're like $1, girl, I don't know. Before I put my falsies on, I'm gonna put on some brown eyeliner on my bottom, not bottom, on my lower lash line. I love these lashes so much. Now for highlight. So for highlight, we're going back into the Athena palette. Cunning, the shade we used in our inner corner, the jewel. Hang on, I'm trying to angle it so you can see the jewel crown. There we go. Oh my god. And really quick too, I'm gonna take the like brush we used to put the purity on our lid, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Cunning too, the thing we just used as highlight. I'm gonna take it and put it in my brow bone. I'm like so happy right now. Okay, so next we have to do lipstick, and the lipstick of my choice is from the drugstore. It's the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the color Goth Topic. It's so fall. So I don't know why this lip color kind of makes my nose look big, but it's so pretty. Now really quick, I'm just gonna put on blush. I don't know why. On camera, this looks so harsh. Like on camera, it looks so pink. But IRL just looks completely fine. I don't know what's going on, so... Am I leaving anything out? Okay, so now if you want to, you can set your face. But it's like... What time is it? It's like 9 o'clock, so I'm not going to set my face because I'm probably just going to take this off. But... Milani Make It Last is a really good setting spray from the drugstore. Oh, it's another good one. The Morphe setting spray, oh my god. That's my favorite, but I used like all of it. Like, I'm literally out of it. And I'm not going to the Morphe store anytime soon, and I don't want to buy it online because I don't want to pay shipping, so... you know. Just set your face. Okay, so... We're pretty much done. Let me just put on a cute jacket and fix my hair really quick, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I just fixed my hair and put on this Fashion Nova mesh jacket. I still have the tag on it.
Hi, sisters.
I still have the tag on it, because, like, I don't know, like, if I want to return it or not. Comment if you think it's cute, because, like, I don't know if it's cute. This look is a little kind of, on the more kind of, like, basic side. Not really basic, but, like, it's, like, not editorial. And if you guys check out my Insta, which is in the description, honey, I do a lot of, like, editorial looks. And, like, I actually, like, really, like, live for editorial makeup. Like, I'll put one of my favorite looks up right now. If you made it this far, just comment whether you'd like to see, you know, more like basic shit like this, or if you'd like, you know, to see more a little bit like makeup artistry, because like I'm honestly down for both. I don't really care. And if you made it this far, thank you. You're part of that 20% that actually watched the whole video, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.